Hello, everybody. I just wanted to give a quick explanation of the formulas that we're going to be dealing with for surface area. Um, you've got five basic three-dimensional shapes. You've got prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Um, so I'm pretty sure on the old STAR test, these are the formulas that used to be used. So I'm just going to kind of stick with those. This capital B that you see all around stands for area of the base. Now, these variables are defined at the bottom of the page. Um, so I'm just repeating those. Now, the reason why big B is important for prism and pyramid is because a prism and a pyramid could have any number of different bases. You could have a rectangular based basic prism. You could have a square based pyramid, but you can also have triangular based prisms, pentagonal based prisms, any gon based prisms. So they use a generic letter B for the area of whatever the base is. For cylinders and cones, big B really isn't necessary because for a cylinder, the base is always a cone. So that's what this second equation down here is that we know the base is a circle. So instead of just using b for that, we can just say 2 pi r squared because pi r squared is the area of the circular base. Same thing with a cone. Big B is constant. Big B is always going to be a circle for a cone. Um, so we don't really need to use that version of the equation. Okay. Um, Second and last thing for this short little explanation of the equations is the lateral surface area and total surface area, the difference between the two. The lateral surface area is everything, if you can tell by the equations, it's everything but the base. So lateral is basically just around the sides. For a pyramid, it wouldn't be the bottom or the base, it would just be 1/2 PL. L is the slant, and I'll get into that in the next video. For a cone, it has you're not counting the circle, you're just calculating pi RL. For the cylinder, the lateral surface area is 2 pi RH, which is part of the total surface area equation, but it doesn't include the bases. And a sphere doesn't have a base because it's round. Um, the little notes that I made here kind of explain that. Um, in this bold one, this last thing right here, is if you're asked to find surface area, it means total surface area. So if some word problem says find the surface area of dot dot dot, then just assume that they're asking you to find total surface area. Okay, that's the end of the explanations of the equations. I'm going to stop this video, and the next video will be lateral and surface area of prisms and pyramids.